From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to...
Right, good night, YouTube. Once again to my channel. It's my new project, y12 Wing Road 2009. It shows needs plenty work. Interior terrible, and I didn't get a film when I did uh, most of the cleaning on the outside from when I got it Thursday night. But inside is terrible. Inside needs a lot of work. You know, the glass don't even work on this side, driver side. What a stink. Sorry, I'm doing a video in the night. Okay. Seats. Okay. See, fender shield missing, rims and tires. Engine and transmission no good. Bought engine and transmission today. You see that later on in the video. Hell, my headlight not even good. Headlight is broken. I take a screw and wire and fix it. Car is in terrible condition, but there's nothing like a challenge for me. So I'll fight this. Stink unbelievable. All this stuff I partially wiped Thursday night. The car is unbelievably dirty. Needs a paint job badly. Inside, horrible. Right? See, okay, this is my once again my y12 wing road. Look forward to my next release on Monday, where I'll be changing engine and suspension. We'll keep posting. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.